In this video, we'll walk through how to receive items against an existing purchase order in Business Central. To get started, I'll open my list of purchase orders. The shipment we just received relates to this purchase order. There are two key columns to pay attention to: quantity to receive and quantity received. If needed, we can also adjust the planned or expected receipt dates once we know exactly when the shipment will arrive. In this example, the shipment has arrived, so I'll enter the shipment reference number. However, this is only a partial delivery. We received 5 Paris Gust chairs and 15 London swivel chairs. Since this isn't the full order, I'll update the quantity to receive field to match what was actually delivered. Once that's done, I can select Post and choose Receive. After posting, you'll notice that the quantity received column now reflects the amounts we entered: 5 Paris guest chairs and 15 London swivel chairs. The remaining quantities are still outstanding and will be received later. If we navigate to Receipts, we can open the related purchase receipt document to review the items that were just recorded. When the rest of the shipment arrives, we simply return to the same purchase order and follow the same steps to complete the process.